In today's video, I will teach you how to make a neon light effect using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea and create a new document with your desired dimensions. You can use a dark background color to make the neon effect stand out. Now select the Type tool from the toolbar and type out your text. Choose a bold or rounded font for the best neon look. Alternatively, you can draw a shape with the Shape tool like a rectangle or ellipse for a neon outline effect. In the Layers panel, right-click on your text or shape layer and select Blending Options. Then enable the Color Overlay and pick a bright neon color like cyan, pink, or lime green. Then set the blending mode of the color overlay to normal and adjust the opacity if needed. Still in the blending options, enable the outer glow. Choose the same color as your color overlay for a cohesive glow effect. Then set the blend mode to screen, then adjust the opacity to around 70 to 100% depending on the intensity that you want. Then increase the size to create a strong glow around your text or shape. You may also increase the spread slightly for a thicker glow. Now, enable the inner glow in the blending options. Then choose the same neon color, then set the blend mode to screen and adjust the opacity to 50 to 70%. Then increase the size until the inner edges of the text start to glow. This helps enhance the lit up effect. An optional step is adding a Gaussian blur. Right-click on the text or shape layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set a low radius of around 1 to 3 pixels to slightly soften the neon edges. Another optional step is creating a glow on the background. To add an ambient glow to the background, create a new layer below your text or shape. Then select the Brush tool and set the color to match your neon effect. And choose a large, soft brush with low opacity. Then click or paint around the text to create a subtle glow on the background. And for finishing touches, you can fine-tune the opacity of the outer and inner glow to control how intense the neon effect appears. Then adjust the size and position of the text or shape if needed. And once you're happy with the look, go to File, then Export As to save your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.